how to clear Pinterest app cache on your iPhone in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. But before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button. So let's get started without wasting a single second. All you will have to do is to firstly open the Pinterest application. Now once you're on this page, all you will have to do is to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. And once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on the gear icon on the top right to head over to settings, and then tap on privacy and data. And then you'll have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and all you will have to do is to tap on clear app cache. Now once you'll tap on it, it will say app cache cleared and you're all done. That's how you can easily clear app cache on Pinterest application. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video.